Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the PLZ single-din car stereo, and before you make a choice on upgrading your car's audio system, you need to watch this. We've done comprehensive research on this innovative head unit and I'll share everything you need to know, plus I've got the best price linked in the description below, so you clicked because you want to know if this car stereo is worth your investment. We'll evaluate its price point, performance capabilities and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The PLZ single-din car stereo's standout feature is undoubtedly its versatile connectivity options with both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. This flexibility means you're not locked into one connection method. Switch between the convenience of wireless connectivity when you're on quick trips or opt for the reliability of a wired connection during longer journeys. The inclusion of voice control through Apple Siri or Google Assistant transforms your driving experience, allowing you to manage calls, navigation, and music without ever taking your hands off the wheel. What really sets this unit apart is the built-in DSP system with a comprehensive 10-band EQ. This isn't just marketing speak niche, the digital signal processing delivers genuinely impressive audio fidelity that rivals systems costing twice as much. The inclusion of two subwoofer outputs means bass enthusiasts can achieve that deep resonating sound that transforms your vehicle into a mobile concert hall. Whether you're into classical music or heavy metal, the customization options ensure your audio preferences are perfectly matched. The technical specifications are particularly impressive for this price range. The 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen boasts a crystal-clear 1280x720p resolution, making it perfect for both navigation and entertainment. The screen size is remarkable considering this unit fits both single-din and double-din dash openings, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Additionally, the independent Bluetooth 5.3 module with an extra antenna ensures stable connections even in areas with heavy electronic interference. Safety features haven't been overlooked either. The support for both front view and AHD rear backup cameras provides comprehensive visual coverage that's essential for modern driving. The high-quality video feed and wide viewing angles make parking and maneuvering significantly safer, especially in tight urban environments. Furthermore, the steering wheel control compatibility means you can adjust volume, skip tracks, and answer calls without compromising your driving focus. The connectivity hub aspect of this stereo is exceptional, featuring multiple ports for video and audio inputs and outputs, specifically 4 sound outputs, 2 inputs, 1 video output, and 1 video input. This extensive connectivity makes it ideal for car audio enthusiasts who want to build a comprehensive entertainment system. The 3A fast charging capability ensures your devices stay powered throughout your journey, eliminating the frustration of dead phones during crucial moments. However, one notable downside that some users may find limiting is the absence of built-in Wi-Fi hotspot functionality. While the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto work flawlessly, you'll need to rely on your phone's data connection for internet-based features. This might be a consideration for those hoping to use the unit as a standalone internet device. Installation considerations are important to note. You'll need to verify your dashboard opening size matches the unit's dimensions, and depending on your vehicle model, you might require additional accessories like a wire harness adapter and radio antenna adapter. Professional installation is recommended to ensure all features function properly and to avoid any compatibility issues. The target audience for this stereo includes tech-savvy drivers, audio enthusiasts, and anyone looking to modernize an older vehicle with cutting-edge infotainment capabilities. It's particularly suitable for those who value the flexibility of both Apple and Android ecosystems. You got it. So, that's it for the best single-din car stereo on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped, comment below if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.